Hey everyone, today we're back at the Magic Kingdom since Magic Kingdom has transformed for the holiday season. Usually every year after Halloween, they set up Main Street U.S.A. and Magic Kingdom with all sorts of holiday decorations. Overnight, there is tons of new Christmas decorations. Jingle Cruise is open, and I thought today we'd have a fun day here at the park. So let's go ahead and have a great day adventure. As soon as you get inside Magic Kingdom, there is the 2 ticket booths, and in between are Mickey and Minnie in their Santa hats for photo op, as there's also presents on the flower bed as well. On top of that, you have some decorations on Main Street train station with some garland along the railing. There's Christmas music playing at the moment, and the flower bed's even festive for the holiday season as well. And we are now here at Main Street U.S.A. and holy moly, look at all these decorations. I cannot believe it's already holiday season. I just thought we were just getting into Halloween, and now that's over with. We can see all sorts of wreaths, garland all around all of the stores and buildings like Chamber of Commerce, City Hall, the Firehouse, along with Town Square Theater, Main Street train station, the Emporium, along with all the shops on Main Street U.S.A. All down Main Street and its many shops, there are a bunch of decorations. There are the wreaths that are hung up on the buildings with a candle in the middle that can be lit up at night. There's also some silver bells that are hung up as well as the garland wrapped around each of the store. And last but not least, on the lamppost here, there's some special Mickey wreaths hung up across the lampposts, and even some special bells on garland as well. In the center of Main Street, there is the gigantic Christmas tree with all sorts of ornaments and decorations like popcorn. And there's also the star on top along with toys. You can actually get a photo op behind the Christmas tree. However, you will need to wait a bit since usually with all of the photo ops during the day, it can get a pretty long line. And at the hub, there's all sorts of wreaths hung up on the lampposts all around the hub. And at the castle, there's special decorations up on the stage with some garland. Also, another detail I did not notice ever, and this first time I'm just knowing this, is that flower beds also change where it's red, white, and green. Interesting. And last but not least, the Crystal Palace is decorated for the holiday season with all sorts of ornaments and garland wrapped around the building. I think right now we're going to go ahead and actually head over to our first and probably only attraction today, which is going to be the Jingle Cruise. Every year at Disney World during the holiday season, Disney turns the Jungle Cruise into the Jingle Cruise with all sorts of Christmas decorations on the ride, holiday themed puns, and so much more on a twist on this classic attraction. At the moment, it looks as if the line is getting a bit shorter, so I thought since it's a 35-minute wait, how about we go ahead and do it? On the lamppost, we can see some holiday themed wreaths. There's also some lights strung around, along with some garland. And there's the Jingle Cruise sign. The shipping office is also decorated with a bunch of decor. You can also see the boats decorated for the holiday season with some holiday themed names like Reindeer Ruby. There's also Christmas decorations at the house, as well as a sign saying Jungle all the way.
Get it real makeup or the sunscreen? Welcome to the world famous Jingle Cruise, where we are indeed world famous for being famous. All right.
around the holidays. I'll be your skipper today. My name is Skipper Guinevere. Now, not only am I going to be your skipper, but I'm also going to be your tour guide, your dance instructor, your social instructor, and your direct line of communication to Santa. That's right, I have his number on speed dial. I will call him for anything you might need. Everybody say ooh. Everybody say ah. Everybody say Skipper Gwen, I'm proud of you. Aw, thank you. My parents never said that to me as a child. It really means a lot coming from a boatload of strangers, completely unprompted too. Now, I did organize a bit of a holiday gathering for you guys up here at our boats, baits, and bite stock. All the best skippers from all over the world RSVP. They said the most absolutely, most ardently, most sincerely, most seriously, and most festively weren't going to show up, and they didn't. It really reminds me of my birthday last year because no one showed up for that either. Now, right over here is my camp, and in my camp are the remnants of the Rockin' Halloween party that I threw a few days ago. Yeah, we went a little bit bananas. But a lot of people didn't find the feeling, and we were told to split. But hey, at least somebody got their Jeep turned over in my front yard. Don't know whose Jeep that is, but I do know that's my front yard, and that will be my problem later. Now, if I can have your attention to the front of the boat, you're going to see the most amazing thing in the entire jungle. And if you look past me, you're going to see the second most amazing thing in the entire jungle, and that right there is Schweitzer Falls. Schweitzer Falls is named after the Jungle Cruise's founder, Dr. Albert Falls. Yeah, don't worry if you don't get it now, we'll be going over it later. It's my favorite part of the tour, that 30-foot plunge. Now, holiday flight prices. Am I right, you guys? They're usually about double what they typically are, but here at the Jungle Cruise, we have a deal going, half off flights for the holidays. Yeah, hasn't really taken off yet. Sure to get like 80% of our revenue. And speaking of revenue, we're doing something very new in the gift shop right now. It makes a perfect last minute gift for any family members who definitely didn't forget about. It's Jingle Cruise's new line of fragrances called Sense of Humor. I'll get you guys some coupons. That might be your guys' gift from me. Now, if you enjoyed your cruise today, my name has been Skipper Guinevere. That is spelled H-E-L-P space M-E. The cry for help is silent, but it's getting louder every day. If you did not enjoy your cruise today, that is mighty unfortunate. I'm not taking criticisms or critiques at this time. I'm very fragile. And finally, but most importantly, they tell me, and I am going to tell you. Get out. Thank you.
As soon as we exit, it looks like there's also some New Year's decorations with the ball, and then we're now outside of Jingle Cruise. And we just got off the Jingle Cruise. I feel like even though I think the Jungle Cruise is fine, I think this attraction is always a fun time. The skippers are incredible, and the puns are actually really good this time around. And overall, with the decorations aside, with all sorts of puns, it is definitely a must-do attraction when visiting for holiday season. Now, at both Magic Kingdom and Epcot, they actually have one Christmas shop. And here in Liberty Square, across from the Liberty Tree and Hall of Presidents, there's a ye olde Christmas shop where you can actually see all sorts of Christmas merchandise inside, and even get some Christmas ornaments as well. While they still have some Halloween merchandise, like some of the Mickey pumpkins and the shirt, there's a bunch of ornaments inside, as well as some Christmas merchandise with a countdown calendar, a Mickey mug, and even a Mickey Mouse Santa figurine. There's also this cute tree topper with Chip and Dale, along with all sorts of ornaments for the tree. There's even some Nightmare for Christmas merchandise inside, stockings, a Christmas train set, some Haunted Mansion ornaments as well, and even some other ornaments themed to all sorts of characters, books, and more. And there's even some other ornaments like a glass slipper, Disneyland popcorn box, the Up House, a Mickey Mouse Club jersey, and more. You can even personalize your ornaments, where if you want to add a name, year, or number, it's going to be $5. Or if you want a month, day, and year, it's going to be $15. If you want additional awards, it's going to be $5 more. Or an additional artwork selection, that's going to be $5 more as well. In addition to the Christmas merchandise in here, you can even mail a letter for Santa from Walt Disney World. And we just got to see the Dapper dance perform. Now, during the day, for the most part, they have a small show where they're on the trolley with the horses. They go around Main Street U.S.A. and a hub, and they end nearby Emporium. And as always, they're entertaining. And I think right now, because we're nearby Emporium, how about we go ahead and check out the holiday merchandise? Even inside, Emporium is decorated for holiday season. You have lounge fly bags, Mickey mugs, Walt Disney World holiday spirit jerseys, this giant holiday light up ornament, holiday mini ears, small table light that lights up and changes colors, a musical figurine that has jingle bells playing, and you can even see the monorail, Mickey and Minnie on teacup, horse from Carousel, and Dumbo's flying above. It's so cool. There's some special holiday Crocs, a holiday stitched mug, a light up glow necklace, special holiday keychains, snowman Mickey ears, snowman lounge fly and snowman bag, holiday themed spirit jersey, red mini ears, Mickey bucket hats, 2 My Joy shirts, with one being Mickey and another being Minnie. A t-shirt that says Most Magical Holiday on Earth, which is actually the t-shirt I'm wearing. Adult socks, Stitch light up sweater, Stitch hoodie, a Mickey and Minnie sweater, more holiday themed Mickey ears, a holiday themed Winnie the Pooh t-shirt, holiday themed plushes with Mickey, Minnie, and Stitch, where Stitch is holding an I've Been Good list. There's also some holiday themed youth outfits, a Pluto t-shirt, Santa Mickey hat, Walt Disney World Mickey and Minnie sweatshirt, another holiday themed spirit jersey, mini ginger snap cookies, more Stitch plushes. Oh, look how cute. Youth Santa's Elf Squad shirt with Walt Disney World. Very cute. They even have Mickey Mouse sweaters, an elf cap, a limited release holiday themed Magic Band Plus, Santa Stitch purses, a tree skirt, and last but not least, some special Hanukkah merchandise, like a Hanukkah t-shirt, Hanukkah mini ears, Hanukkah mug, wall decor, and a special Hanukkah sweatshirt. And that's going to be wrapping on our adventure here at Magic Kingdom. I had such a fun day exploring all sorts of decorations at Main Street, going on Jingle Cruise, and having a fun, relaxing day here at the park. So let me know in the comments, have you ever been to Magic Kingdom or Disney World during Christmas? I'd love to know. If you want to help support the channel, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and follow for more. Until next time, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.